Introducing the Sandsall, a new reciprocating tool system designed to sand your complex surfaces. Sandsall gives you control of your sanding blocks, conforming to your needs. With our flexible foam sanding pads, we will add 3,000 strokes per minute into your hand sanding. A variety of geometrical shapes and sanding grits, you can choose the right ones for your next project. Attached mode or detached, its versatility is unmatched. With our flexible strap sander, our opposing damping handle is perfectly matched to take the high speed of the reciprocating power tool. And of course, our hook and loop straps allow you to choose the right size and medium for all your tough jobs. A variety of flex hose, universal joints, and extensions will allow you to sand your toughest projects. They now just became the simple ones. Go to sandsall.com and learn more on how you can help bring this amazing tool to your home.